In this website New Universe, I have presented a totally different view of the creation than the mainstream. This view is based on the analysis of observations made by astronomers in different wavelengths. The theory of timelessness in time expounds the view that turbulence and magnetic fields are the major arbiters in forming the cosmic structures. The gravitational force alone is insufficient in understanding the nature of the universe. This analysis leads to the existence of a fractal universe, which embeds self-similar structures in scales, within scales. Everything, however small or large, is entangled with each other in a cosmic whole, like an inseparable fractal knot, which can never be disentangled. Everything, which occurs in microscales, is intimately related to the evolutions taking place in the macro world. Large supports the small feeds back, and supports the existence of the large. There exists a non-local communications in the entire universe. Contrary to the Big Bang, which results from the solutions of the Einstein's equations of gravity, the dynamics of the universe is primarily driven by turbulence, and the magnetic fields, which suffuse every corner of the cosmos. Without assigning the role to gravity in assembling matter into clumps, how can one explain the creations of clumpy structures, which we observe in all cosmic scales? If Big Bang has never occurred, how could one explain the recessions of galaxies, and the existence of the cosmic microwave background radiation? Which mechanism in the universe has created the superclusters, clusters, galaxies, stars, and planets? If there is no time in the universe, how do the cosmic objects take birth, evolve, and die? Are they not following the motions of time? Or, what is time? If the universe has been arranged as a timeless fractal design, what causes the appearance of chaos, and a constantly fluctuating world? How do we understand the formation of the solar system? How do we know that there exists a universal design in the universe, which self-creates itself from its own decay and death? What is the eternal dynamics, which permeates all existence, and sustains the universal plan? Who are the creator, and the created ones, when the existence of the microstructures depends on the existence of the macrostructures, and vice versa? How do the created ones create the creator, in whose womb they take their births? One will get answers to these, and many other questions of fundamental importance from this site. The universe has existed eternally, and rises from, and sinks in itself. While cosmic objects die, and decay in one place, new structures rise in the universe in another place. All structures, however small or large, are entangled in an inseparable whole. The structures in the universe are formed by following a universal template, which is a fractal knot, built by the interweaving of the incoming and outgoing flows. Everywhere the dynamics is driven by ejection and accretion of matter, mediated by a spiral Driscoll line, at the center of the structures. This three-armed spiral structure, at its largest scale, so far observed, can be found at the position where the astronomers have observed the local void. The superclusters appear as ejections from this void. The superclusters break into clumps, and give rise to superclusters, which, in turn, break into clumps, and form clusters, which, in its turn, break into fractal clumps, generating galaxies, and so on. The universe is made of similar spiral knotting, filling the entire cosmos in many different scales. It is always ejecting matter from the center, and withdrawing the ejected material towards the center. The meeting of the ejected and accreting matter is the source of turbulence, seeding the formation of cosmic structures in all scales. Turbulent motions of the charged particles may create the magnetic field. Magnetic accretion causes the formation of cosmic bodies, which become gravitating, and start competing with the other two forces. The universe is a dance of spirals, inside spiral, and so on, and driven by a mechanism of ejection and accretion driven by a universal Driscoll line.